Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the Word document and the physical material. This matters because Word defaults can misalign thick or textured Tarpapel. Open page layout, pick the exact paper size, and set narrow margins so print reaches edges if needed. Then, in File Print, pick the Canon driver rather than a generic driver. Once done, confirm the tray and paper type in the printer properties so the printer applies correct ink density and feed speed. This prevents smearing and paper jams. You now focus on the middle steps that control quality. Resize and set all artwork to 300 dpi so details remain crisp on textured Tarpapel. Embed fonts to avoid substitutions. Next, click Printer Properties, choose the exact media type, and adjust paper thickness so rollers move slower. Pick high quality or 600 dpi for fine lines. Also enable manual feed if your material needs one-sheet insertion. Make sure to align the sheet by guides, because consistent registration prevents skew and wasted sheets. You finish by printing a single test sheet and inspecting it closely. This verifies color, alignment, and ink behavior on Tarpapel. Hold the sheet gently after 30 to 60 seconds to check for smearing and edge coverage. If alignment is off, adjust scaling by 1 to 3% or run a plate and calibration from the Canon utility. Make small changes and retest. And if ink smears or streaks, lower ink density, increase drying time, or run a printhead clean. Those steps solve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.